Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Tesla low-voltage battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection. Before you begin, make sure your Tesla is completely powered off and in service mode to prevent any electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for everyone involved. Now, let's access the battery. Open your Tesla's front trunk and carefully remove the plastic trim panels using your trim removal tool. The low-voltage battery is usually situated under a protective cover. Once located, disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. This order is crucial for safety and to avoid any short circuits during the removal. With the terminals disconnected, unfasten the battery hold-down bracket. Carefully lift out the old low-voltage battery, noting its weight. Now, gently place your new battery into the compartment, ensuring it sits securely. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. This sequence is vital for proper electrical connection and to prevent any sparks. Finally, reattach the battery hold-down bracket and reinstall all the trim panels you removed earlier. Close the front trunk securely. Now, exit service mode and power on your Tesla. Take a moment to verify that all vehicle systems are functioning correctly. Your new low-voltage battery should provide reliable power, ensuring your Tesla operates smoothly for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.